Hi everyone, my name is Marina Berdychevska. I'm a practicing graphic designer with 10 years of experience in graphic design and photography. While offering graphic design and photography courses, I created a book covering the basics, which was used by my students. Currently, I lecture in my online school, teaching small businesses how to create their branding and visual strategy for social media. Let's begin. Everyone here is already familiar with Agile methodology. Today I will guide you through the Agile design process and we'll talk a bit of each steps. There are 7 steps of Agile design process. It will be understand, research, sketch, design, prototype, test, and review. Please remember that communication is important in each of these steps because everyone has their own life experience and vision. For example, if you and I will imagine right now red color, it will be completely different shade of red because we all saw different colors and have different experience, and like this it works in everything. Let's start with the first step of agile process. It's understanding. This step can give you a solid base for all of the following steps. A product manager or customer decides he needs a certain design to accomplish a certain goal. You should understand that the more you will treat a designer as a part of your team and provide him with all the information about the main goal of the design and the pain it will solve, the faster and better the design will be created. And the designer should make sure that he understood the main goal correctly. Then, if this designer has any doubts, he can easily make a decision by answering the question, does this decision help me to achieve the main goal or not? Next step is research. There are 2 options for research. It depends on what you need to create. A completely new product for a new feature or just new feature for existing one. If you're creating a new product, you should do market research on what's already exists, paying attention to user experience and design. But if you add in a new feature to the existing product, you should use the existing design database. For example, if you already know that your users click to the blue buttons more than on the green one, then in the new feature you will want to use the same blue color and not the green one. So basically in this step you want to see what's already exists and what's working and what's not. Sketch. At this point you want to define the flow of your project or feature. You want to transfer all of the knowledge you collected at the previous step into the information architecture, wireframes for building a solid basement for the design. Design. Based on everything above, it's time to create an actual design. Also at this step, when the design is ready, you can have a clear picture how long it will take to complete the product. For example, if you need to have this product in a month, but now you see based on the design that it will take half a year to develop it, so probably now at the phase 0, you will want to exclude all the extras and focus just on the part of design which actually can be ready in a month. And then at phase 1 and further you will be adding the rest. Prototype. Now it's time for the designer to make sure the developers completely understand the main goal that should be achieved by this design. Test. Now it's time to test what we have so far. It's very important to collect the information about the product we've built. Then we have review. This is the last point of the circle and is evaluation of how successful our product is. If we succeeded in our accomplished our main goal of the product and solving the pain of a user, then we can go to the next step, phase 1. And if we see that we didn't accomplish our goal and we didn't satisfy the pain of a user, so we want to go back on the circle and review at which step we might have made a mistake and how else it could be solved. This system is proved to be much more efficient than just giving a task to the designer and then contacting him again only to get the completed project. Also, at the first, it seems that it have many steps, but all of them really helps you to create the most successful product in the least time possible to avoid unpleasant surprises. Proper communication is the key to everything, so just keep communicating. Also with me if you want. For collaboration or if you have any question, feel free to contact me via LinkedIn or Facebook. Thank you for your attention.